Pronouns. Pronouns are words that take place of nouns. We often use them to avoid repeating the nouns that they refer to. Pronouns have different forms to the different ways we use them. Personal pronouns. There are two types of personal pronouns: subject pronouns and object pronouns. The subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. Let us start with the subject pronouns. The subject pronouns replace the subject noun in the sentence. Pronoun he. Pronoun he is used to refer to one male person. For example, this is my father. My father is tall. Here, we can use the pronoun he instead of repeating the subject noun my father. So, it will be, this is my father. He is tall. Pronoun she. Pronoun she is used to refer to one female person. For example, this is my mother. My mother is beautiful. Here, we can replace the pronoun she instead of repeating the subject noun my mother. So, it will be, this is my mother. She is beautiful. Pronoun I. Pronoun I is used to refer to oneself. For example, I'm reading a book. Pronoun it. Pronoun it is used to refer to one animal or one thing. For example, I have a pet animal. It's a white cat. Here, we refer to the noun pet animal by using the pronoun it. Pronoun we. Pronoun we is used to refer to a group of people including me. For example, this is my family. We live in Paris. Here, we replace the subject noun my family with the pronoun we. Pronoun they. Pronoun they is used to refer to a group of people or animals or things. For example, they play soccer. Another example, I love dogs. They are cute. Here, we replace the noun dogs by using the pronoun they. Pronoun you. Pronoun you is used to refer to one person or a group of people. For example, you are smart. You are the winners. Now, let's move forward to the object pronouns. If we take a quick look, we will find that some subject pronouns are kept the same in the object state, like you, the singular and the plural form, and it, while the rest are changed as I becomes me, he turns to be him, she becomes her, we becomes us, and they turns to be them. Object pronouns. Object pronouns are those pronouns that receive the action in a sentence. Any noun receiving an action in the sentence like these pronouns are considered as object. An object pronoun can also be used after prepositions. For example, I will go with them. But now, we are going to stress more on nouns only. Let's have an example. I give they cookies every week. What's wrong with this sentence? Correct. The word they is in the object place, so it must be replaced by an object pronoun, which is them. In this sentence, the subject I is the doer of the giving action, and them is the noun receiving the giving action, so it's the object. That's why we use them instead of they. Another example. She gave I an extra pen. Who can tell me what's wrong with this sentence? Correct. I is the object possession who received the giving action, so it must be me. Excellent. So, the correct sentence would be, she gave me an extra pen. Another example. If you have any questions, you can ask she. Now, what's wrong with this sentence? Yes, she is in the object possession, so it must be replaced with her. So the correct sentence would be, if you have any questions, you can ask her. Let's have more examples. He is my friend. I enjoy being with he. Yes, here the object he must be replaced by him to suit its object possession. So the correct sentence would be, he is my friend. I enjoy being with him. One last example. She always writes emails to we. Let's correct this sentence together. Great! We is an object that receives the action, so it must be replaced with us. So the correct sentence would be, she always writes emails to us. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!